Starting an airline is an ambitious endeavor. It's a dream that many aviation enthusiasts and business-minded individuals share. The allure of the open skies, the thrill of connecting people across the globe, and the potential for financial success make it an enticing venture. However, the path to launching an airline is fraught with challenges and requires a deep understanding of the industry. It requires careful planning and execution. Every detail, from the initial concept to the first flight, must be meticulously thought out. This involves not only a solid business plan, but also a comprehensive understanding of the market, competition, and regulatory environment. You'll need to consider factors such as route selection, fleet composition, and pricing strategies. This essay will guide you through the essential steps. We'll break down the process into manageable phases, each critical to the success of your airline. Whether you're starting with a single aircraft or planning a larger fleet, the principles remain the same. Our goal is to provide you with a roadmap that will help you navigate the complexities of the aviation industry. From understanding the necessary qualifications to navigating the complexities of aircraft selection and economic considerations, we'll cover it all. The aviation industry is highly regulated, and compliance with these regulations is non-negotiable. You'll need to ensure that your pilots, crew, and maintenance teams are all properly trained and certified. Additionally, selecting the right aircraft for your routes and business model is crucial. Get ready to embark on a journey into the exciting world of aviation entrepreneurship. The road ahead will be challenging, but with the right preparation and mindset, it can also be incredibly rewarding. We'll explore the various aspects of starting an airline, from securing financing to marketing your new venture. Each step is a building block towards achieving your dream. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to turn your airline dream into a reality. We'll discuss the importance of building a strong brand and creating a unique value proposition. Your airline's identity will play a significant role in attracting customers and differentiating you from competitors. We'll also look at strategies for managing operational challenges and ensuring customer satisfaction. We'll explore the skills and qualifications needed to lead an airline. Leadership in the aviation industry requires a blend of technical knowledge, business acumen, and interpersonal skills. We'll highlight the key competencies that successful airline executives possess and provide tips on how to develop these skills. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the industry, continuous learning and development are essential. We'll delve into the importance of a strong educational background in aviation management. Formal education can provide a solid foundation in areas such as airline operations, finance, and marketing. We'll discuss various educational pathways, including degree programs and professional certifications, that can enhance your knowledge and credibility in the industry. Get ready to navigate the challenges and triumphs of starting your own airline. The journey will be filled with highs and lows, but with determination and the right guidance, you can achieve success. Let's begin this exciting adventure together and turn your dream of starting an airline into a reality. The sky is the limit. Running a successful airline demands a unique blend of skills and experience. Strong leadership is crucial. The ability to inspire and guide a diverse team of professionals, from pilots to ground staff, is essential. A successful airline CEO must be a visionary, capable of setting long-term goals and steering the company towards achieving them. This involves not only strategic planning, but also the ability to adapt to the ever-changing dynamics of the aviation industry. You'll need excellent communication and problem-solving abilities. Effective communication ensures that all departments work seamlessly together, from flight operations to customer service. Problem-solving skills are equally important, as the airline industry is fraught with unexpected challenges such as weather disruptions, technical issues, and customer complaints. Being able to quickly and efficiently resolve these problems is key to maintaining smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Experience in aviation operations is essential. This includes a deep understanding of the complexities involved in coordinating flights, managing air traffic control, and ensuring that all safety protocols are strictly followed. Knowledge of flight scheduling, crew management, and logistics is also crucial. An airline executive must be well versed in the technical aspects of aviation to make informed decisions that impact the entire operation. This includes knowledge of safety regulations, aircraft maintenance, and flight operations. Ensuring the safety of passengers and crew is the top priority, and this requires a thorough understanding of aviation safety standards and regulations. Regular maintenance checks and inspections are vital to keep the fleet in optimal condition. Additionally, understanding the intricacies of flight operations helps in planning and executing efficient and safe flights. Financial management is another critical aspect. Running an airline is a capital-intensive business, and effective financial management is crucial to its success. This involves budgeting, forecasting, and financial planning to ensure the airline remains profitable. An airline executive must be adept at analyzing financial data, identifying cost-saving opportunities, and making strategic investments to drive growth. You'll be responsible for managing budgets, securing funding, and ensuring profitability. This includes negotiating with investors, securing loans, and managing cash flow. An airline's financial health depends on the ability to balance revenue and expenses while investing in new technologies and expanding the fleet. Effective financial management also involves risk assessment and mitigation to protect the airline from economic downturns and market fluctuations. Marketing and sales skills are essential to attract customers and build your brand. In a competitive industry, a strong marketing strategy can set an airline apart from its competitors. This involves understanding customer needs, creating compelling marketing campaigns, and leveraging digital marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Sales skills are equally important to drive ticket sales, manage customer relationships, and ensure a high level of customer satisfaction. A deep understanding of the aviation industry, including market trends and competition, is also vital. Staying informed about industry developments, regulatory changes, and emerging technologies is crucial for making strategic decisions. An airline executive must be able to analyze market data, identify opportunities for growth, and develop strategies to stay ahead of the competition. This includes understanding the global aviation landscape, as well as regional market dynamics, to effectively position the airline for success. A solid educational background is paramount in the aviation industry. The aviation sector is complex and multifaceted, requiring a deep understanding of various disciplines. From the technical aspects of aircraft maintenance to the intricacies of airline management, a well-rounded education forms the foundation of a successful career in aviation. A bachelor's degree in aviation management, business administration, or a related field is often required for leadership positions. This degree not only equips students with essential knowledge, but also hones their analytical and problem-solving skills. Graduates are prepared to tackle the challenges of the aviation industry, from managing airport operations to overseeing airline logistics. This coursework provides a comprehensive understanding of airline operations, finance, marketing, and regulations. Students learn about the economic factors that influence the aviation industry, the marketing strategies that drive airline profitability, and the regulatory frameworks that ensure safety and compliance. These subjects are crucial for anyone aspiring to a leadership role in aviation. Advanced degrees, such as an MBA with a specialization in aviation, can further enhance your credentials. An MBA program delves deeper into the strategic aspects of aviation management, offering insights into global aviation trends, competitive strategies, and leadership techniques. This advanced education can open doors to higher-level positions and greater responsibilities within the industry. These programs offer in-depth knowledge of strategic planning, financial analysis, and industry best practices. Students engage in case studies, simulations, and real-world projects that prepare them for the complexities of the aviation business environment. They learn to develop strategic plans that align with organizational goals, conduct financial analyses to support decision-making, and implement best practices to enhance operational efficiency. Consider pursuing certifications in areas like airline operations, safety management, or revenue management. Certifications provide specialized knowledge and skills that are highly valued in the aviation industry. They demonstrate a commitment to continuous learning and professional development, which is essential in a field that is constantly evolving. These credentials demonstrate your expertise and commitment to professional development. Earning certifications can set you apart from your peers, making you a more competitive candidate for advanced positions. They also provide opportunities to network with other professionals and stay updated on the latest industry trends and technologies. In summary, a strong educational background, advanced degrees, and professional certifications are key components of a successful career in aviation. They equip you with the knowledge, skills, and credentials needed to excel in this dynamic and challenging industry.